Okay guys, so I'm back in my backyard. So I'm back in my backyard and I have a cake and I have strawberries and I also have whipped cream. So basically I'm making this like angel food cake. I'm just gonna sit outside and frost a cake and just have a talk. It's gonna be really nice. That's not really nice, but I think it's gonna be fun and it's gonna be a good bonding experience. Okay, but wouldn't that be so cool if you were baking something and I was baking a cake and like decorating it, and then we enjoy it and like eat it together, So today was the first time I hung out with my friends, which was really nice. I was kind of scared because I didn't really want to hang out with anyone, but I did, and it was so much fun. Like, I literally love my friends so much. If you don't know who they are, their names are Ella and Sage, because shout out to them for, making this day really cool. Today, I actually had a bonding experience with my friends also. So today we had some girl talk, and so we went on these electric scooters, and it was really cool. There was only two, so Ella had to drive mine, which was kind of scary, but it made me trust her more. But other than that, I really haven't been hanging out with anyone because I don't know, I don't really want to hang out with anyone. What to do instead of hanging out with my friends is I've been watching TV, and I've been watching Dance Moms, a lot of Dance Moms.
Oh, I didn't, dingbat. Listen, I said, Brooke, is your mother speaking for you?
Get your finger out of my face!
I really like that show. Because I feel like a lot of people think like, oh, they're just dramatic Dance Moms. But like also the girls on that, like they're so nice and super sweet. And I think it's really just like wholesome because they're like all children right now in the seasons. Quarantine thing has really just been like affecting all lives. But honestly, I'm glad we had it this semester, even though it sucks because like seniors and like 5th graders and 8th graders, they weren't able to like focus on like their end of the school activities. But everyone else was kind of like vibing with it, like I was kind of cool with it because it wasn't first semester, and I'm glad it wasn't, because first semester was like where I met like a lot of my friends, like my new friend, well not my new friends, but like I met a lot of my friends and I was able to hang out with them more and everything, and I was able to go to volleyball games and football games, so that was like always so much fun. Ow, oh my god. I feel like I've been definitely so much more productive. Like I really took this opportunity to be more productive, especially after I didn't make my cheer team. Basically,
it was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
I just really, honestly, I'm gonna be honest with myself, I was not trying on my audition video. Like I was just so bad. Like I was like so fine with it, even though I knew it was bad. Like I knew I wasn't gonna make it the team, and I still was like having a little hope. Like I should have just been completely confident with my like video tryout, which sucks because I really wanted my like sister. I really wanted to be on the same team as her because she's a freshman. But I'm gonna try. I'm really focusing. I'm trying to get more flexible with my jumps because that's like a big thing. I want to focus on being able to comprehend dances like really quickly and just be a better dancer for cheer. Sideline cheer is very like dancing. You have to make sure you're able to learn dances really quickly because like you go into like the school and like you already start cheering like the first week you're back, like there's already games to cheer for, and it's sometimes it's a lot of work, like a lot of time being spent. And one thing that I think about dogs is I wonder if they think like if I'm cool enough. Like do they think I'm like cool? Like do they think, I don't know, I think that's like a lot of like pressure.
Oh, yeah.
How ugly that looks. The presentation may not be pretty, but let's just take this cake as a message to you guys all that it doesn't matter what's on the outside, it's actually what matters on the inside. And the inside of this cake is amazing. Well, it doesn't look amazing, of course, but it tastes amazing, hopefully. You guys are jealous. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm gonna put some strawberries and then put blueberries in the middle so that it's like Memorial Day theme. Oh my god, where did that land? Okay, so I kind of want to make this look nice. What I do miss though about vlogging is I miss vlogging with my friends, you know? Like I think it makes more fun and everything, and like more people, like more of my friends enjoy it, and I like when people enjoy it and enjoy my videos. I've started a new workout. I've started Chloe Ting's workouts. Oh, because I feel like I was like kind of building up to get to where I needed to be to like work on Chloe Ting's and everything. So I would do like planks every single day and really just be used to it. I'm just trying to do the workouts correctly, and then I'll add more like workouts because she has those like programs, if you didn't know. I'm pretty sure I'm done with the cake, but it looks pretty nice now. Like the whipped cream, you can't even notice if it's bad. It's really nice with nicely strawberries and everything. It's really cute. There's whipped cream in my hair. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little talk and this little cake decorating time with me, because it was friggin' epic. We have our slices of cake here. Gorgeous. Yay. Thank you. And now we're going to try my cake for the first time. The cake is kind of like spongy, you know? Oh, it's like really tough. It's good though. I really like the whipped cream.
Right?
It works well with the strawberries, definitely. That's the only time I'll eat whipped cream. But like, I think it was pretty good. I would give it like a 9 out of 10. Bye guys. Hope you guys had an amazing day.